truck. These are the first ones we gotta change. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 in the back.
Zona de guerra, 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 zona de guerra.
Okay, there's your truck. We just got to put that back. But there it is, everything put back together. Okay. All the spark plugs are changed.